Hello and welcome back to the channel TNV Academy. In today's lecture, we are diving into a critical topic that affects every healthcare professional, IT specialist and patient alike: information security principles in healthcare. Why information security matters? Let's begin with a simple question. Why is information security so important in healthcare? Well, healthcare organizations handle highly sensitive data, including patient medical reports, insurance information, and personal identification. If this data falls into the wrong hands, it can lead to identity theft, insurance fraud, and even compromise a patient's safety. That's why it is not just about compliance, it's about trust, privacy, and safety. Key principles of information security. There are three core principles that form the foundation of information security. We often call this the CIA triad. No, not the intelligence agency. Confidentiality. This means ensuring that only authorized people have access to sensitive information. For example, only doctors and nurses directly involved in a patient's care should view their medical history. Integrity. This ensures that the information is accurate and has not been altered. Imagine if a patient's allergy information was accidentally or intentionally changed. The results could be dangerous. Availability. Data must be available whenever it's needed, especially in emergencies. Downtime in healthcare systems can delay treatments and put lives at risk. Supporting principles. Beyond the CIA triad, there are additional principles that support strong information security. Accountability. Every user should have a unique ID and their actions should be logged. This helps trace any misuse or errors. Authentication and authorization. Systems should verify who the user is, authentication, and then determine what they are allowed to access, authorization. Risk management. Identifying and assessing risk allows organizations to put the right safeguards in place before problems happen. Challenges in healthcare. Despite the importance, healthcare faces unique challenges in maintaining information security. Staff may lack technical training. Many systems are outdated or not properly integrated. Emergency situations can lead to shortcuts in security. Insider threats, both intentional and accidental, are common. Information security in healthcare is about much more than just following rules. It's about protecting lives, building trust, and ensuring that healthcare providers can deliver safe and effective care. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and drop a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on healthcare standards and information security. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.